Assalamu alaikum students. After a long time, we are going to start again our chapter, the pending part of the humidity and clouds. The part humidity we have already completed. We will continue with the chapter cloud. What is the cloud actually? We have learned that water vapor, when it converts into water from to vapor gaseous state, it becomes light and it moves upwards. It moves upwards, and as it moves upwards higher in altitude, the temperature decreases. As you go higher in altitude, the water vapor goes higher in altitude, the temperature decreases. When the temperature decreases, the water vapor is condensed into water again or ice. The more the altitude it covers, the less the temperature is. When it covers too much high altitude, it converts into ice. And we have dust particle innumerable amount in our atmosphere. The water vapor, when it condenses around the dust particle, small dust particle, condense around small dust particle, it becomes ice or water. So that takes the form of cloud. That is the formation of cloud. What is the cloud? Water around dust particle or ice around the dust particle moving in the atmosphere, upper part of the atmosphere. Since it is very small, it is very light, so it floats in the air. So cloud is floating in the air. Let's see different types of cloud. We see different shape. How it is in category? The clouds are divided into shapes and height. At which altitude it is there and what the shape of the cloud is. In these two categories, the clouds are differentiated. Let's begin. See, we have the list of the cloud according to its height. From 1 to 10, we have the list, and its height is mentioned. The first 2, 3, cirrus, cirrostratus, and cirrocumulus, they are about to height from 7,000 to 14,000 meters. It is more than Mount Everest. The height of Mount Everest is around 9,000 meters, and the cloud reach 14,000 meters, means 14 kilometers at the height state upward. So this is the height. Okay, this is the highest cloud. Cirrus, cirrostratus, and cirrocumulus. What does the cirrus look like? Cirrus, the meaning is itself is the hairy or feather-like, or we can say it is small feather-like in the upper part of the sky. So that is the cirrus. Stratus means the bed sheet, the flat one. So whenever upper in the sky we see the flat small cloud is there, so that is the cirrostratus. Cumulus means something round shape. So it is a small layer of cloud, little bit thicker. It is in much higher. So that is the cirrocumulus. When we come to the middle class, it is altostratus and altocumulus. The height is reached from 2,000 to 7,000 meters. Then after that, stratocumulus, stratus, nimbostratus, it is the lower level clouds. And the cumulus and cumulonimbus clouds, the height vary. It reaches from one place to another. It can reach from here to here to here, all these places. These two clouds. Let's talk about each and every one individually. So here, the cirrus cloud are mainly this type of cloud if you find in the higher in the atmosphere. This is the cirrus. The height will be around 7,000 to 14,000 meters. And the another is layer line. This is the cumulus cloud, and this is cirrostratus. Bed sheet like there's a halo in its part. Okay. The medium cloud come. It is altocumulus and altostratus cloud. Altocumulus cloud is round, having some grayish type of color is there. Some grayish and white color is there. Wave-like structure is there. The formation come, and it is in the middle of the height. The another is altostratus. They are not very thick, but they are layered like they are flat. You can see it is flat over here. The cumulus is round shaped like something cauliflower like this. This is flat like bed sheet. The sun can be seen, but it's like a milky glass. The sun is coming from milky glass as it appears. So this is the altostratus. The lower plot have 5 categories. What are they? Let's see. The first one is stratocumulus. They have the layer and it is white to earthy, but it can be grey, it can be white also. It is something round, okay, from the below, and from the above it is flat. So it is that why it is strato flat, and cumulus is round something. So it is round from the below, and it is above it is flat. That is the stratocumulus. Round cluster cloud can be seen here. Stratus cloud, they have layers. When you see the cloud which is in layer, to each layer, so that is the stratus cloud, and the height is lower. Lower in the sky to see. It is flat in shape, covering a vast portion. So that is stratus cloud. They are ash colored and their base is uniform. Their base is uniform and their ashes color is ash. Means they cover the sun. They bring you shadow also. Nimbostratus is a thick cloud and they bring rain. The heavy rain, the continuous rain is bring by nimbostratus cloud. If the cloud is bringing rain and they are dark in color and they thick, they are the nimbostratus cloud. If that cloud is in the atmosphere, in the sky, it means rain is going to happen. That is grey in ash. Okay, it will bring darkness to during the daytime. And this is the cumulus cloud. They spread from 500 to 600 meter altitude. Their height is keep on increasing. The small cloud goes on increasing in that. They get added up. It looks like a cauliflower. Cumulus cloud look like a cauliflower and keep on adding. The vertical air, the lower layer of the earth is more heated up. What happens? The air which touch the earth's surface get heated and become light. What it happens when it become light? It push upward vertically. So it pushes cloud also vertically. It pushes the cloud also vertically. So this cloud get accumulated more and more rain, more and more water, and start keep on increasing. When it feels too much, it becomes another different cloud, that is cumulonimbus cloud. See, it's like a cauliflower in the sky. It adds the vertical flow of the air, add to the formation, and it becomes dome shape. They are grey in color. The cloud are indicator of pleasant weather. The condition of the weather is pleasant. The temperature is bearable. Less temperature, air will be flow, and it keep on adding, and it turn into this. This cumulus cloud turn into this cumulonimbus cloud. When it keep on adding the water vapor, it turn into this. It's a huge mountain like this. So this is the cumulonimbus cloud. They bring rain, but not very much rain. Other than that, what is the quality of this cloud is? It's a huge size, mountain size. The upper part is positive and the lower part is negative. And even the earth there becomes negative. So there is difference in charge, positive and negative. That's why it causes thunder lightning, bijli kadakti hai. जब ये cloud आता है तो कौन सा क्यूमुलोनिम्बस क्लाउड क्या करता है, बारिश भी होगा और बिजली भी कटेगी, थंडर लाइटनिंग। जब बिजली कड़कती है, लाइटनिंग होता है, उसके आसपास के एयर क्या होते हैं, बहुत ही हीटेड हो जाते हैं, बहुत ही हीटेड हो जाते हैं। वो हीटेड एयर क्या होगा, दे अगेन मूव अपवर्ड इन द एटमोस्फेयर, दे मूव अपवर्ड इन द एटमोस्फेयर एंड दैट मेक द साउंड, थंडर साउंड। हमें बिजली कड़कती तो आवाज आता है, कैसी आवाज आता है, बिजली कड़की तो हवा क्या हो गया, हीटेड हो गया। अब वो हवा फटाक से राइज हुआ आसमान में, तो वो क्या करता है, आवाज क्रिएट करता है, थंडरिंग साउंड। Yeah, see, this is the characteristic indicator of thunderstorm. Upper part कैसे रहेगा, they are dense and dark color and accompanied with lightning. When the lightning happen, they also bring hailstorm. जो बर्फ का बारिश होता है, that also is brought by them. You can see. Here the upper part is positive and the lower part is negative again. This causes lightning. Difference in charge causes lightning, and the sound also because of lightning happen.
Yes, please close.
Because of that large thundering sound also occurs. Cloud burst, what happened? When the cloud get accumulated and the weight blowing, okay, vertically upward, they push the cloud upward. The cloud becomes heavy, and at one time the air cannot hold the cloud. What happened? They pour the water downward in a particular area. So that is the cloud bursting. They pour the water in a particular small region, huge amount of water. तो ज्यादातर ये कहाँ पे होता है, पहाड़ पे होता है, माउंटेन एरिया में ज्यादा होता है। तो क्या बोलते हैं, क्लाउड बर्स्टिंग बोलते हैं। एक साथ ज्यादा क्या हुआ, बारिश वहां पे एक्यूमुलेट हो गया, तो दिस इज द क्लाउड बर्स्टिंग। तो इट्स हैपन इन हिमालय एंड ऑल द माउंटेनस रीजन, समटाइम्स हैपन। तो बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होगा वहां पे, मे बी 100 मीटर मिलीमीटर का बारिश वहां पे एक एरिया में हो जाएगा, क्लाउड बर्स्टिंग में, जिसको बोलते बादल फट गया या बादल गिर गया, नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज। So this much is the chapter related to cloud. Hope you understood. Give me the feedback if you have any query. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.